Okay, guys. So today I'll be showing you. I said in one of my videos once, this is the last one toilet quadrilogy or whatever. But no, that's not gonna be the last one. It's never gonna end. But yeah, so here we go. So here's the army. You don't need either of those. So here's the army. This is for Town Hall 15s or 14s, I guess, if you want to use the Clan Castle drill. No, I think it is a Town Hall 15 because you need the Electro Titan. Wait, is that unlocked at Town Hall 15? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah, Town Hall 15, and this is the army one. So, what you do... God, so you place down the queen, and then giant arrow, instantly activated, and then you'll drop earthquakes around this area, like center. Make sure you don't activate any spell towers, because you don't want to do that. But use your 4 balloons to test for traps in the area, and then just place all your troops here. And just kind of let your troops do their thing until until the battle drill goes down. That's when you will stop doing this, because once it's close to going down, put clone spells in the area that it should clone the furnaces and invisible them. And furnaces should just burn up the area. And yeah, other than that, just use your archers to snipe side buildings. And yeah, that's basically it. No, all I did was go brrrr. No, you just went brrrr. And yeah, that's it for the strategy. You don't have to use the same pets as me. You can use whatever pets you want. But yeah. Activate the spiky ball when there's like a compact area of buildings around the king. Activate the giant arrow as soon as you deploy her in the corner of the base. Use the minion prints. Probably at the start of your main push because it shoots and slows down a ton of buildings. And just use the warden ability when your troops are like low health or there's a lot of them in it. That's when you should use it. Or when your battle drill pops, you can use it because it gives the furnaces protection. Here's another way to look at it. Is there a Inferno Dragon sound right there? Anyways, so do all this. You just don't deploy the battle drill yet. Deploy the battle drill like the side of the base. I guess you can try this. I don't know if it'll be better than the other one. But yeah. It's gonna pop. Do I smell burning bodies? So yeah, this could be better if you look at it a certain way. Do I smell burning bodies? But yeah, you can use it either way you want. But yeah, that's it for Electro. What was it called? Electro furnace drill. Yeah, bye guys.